بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
We have given 18 PCs along with desktop, and each of these PCs are having Intel i5 configuration, and we also have given like systems which are having Wi-Fi. It also has LAN connectivity. It also has i5 processor with 512 GB SSD NVMe, and it has 8 GB RAM. So students from all departments, not just computer science, will be able to utilize the lab and should take benefit out of it. So we look forward for like staff and students to completely utilize this lab, and hope inshallah this will be beneficial for the staff and students.
ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೋ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ, ಇವರು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲಮ್ನೀಸ್, ಹಳೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇದು. ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮುಂದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು. ಇನ್ನು ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ.
We are also working on phase 2 of the lab, wherein we are planning to set one more lab in the AITM premises, maybe including other departments. We are going to work on that. And all these PCs are protected with F-Secure, like antivirus software. So we have got licenses for Alumni for 100 PCs, which will ensure that systems are secure. So that's about the lab which we have set up now.
On F-Secure, I just want to give a good news on F-Secure. Just to talk with Sufyan and you on to one piece. He's negotiating with his company for the whole of the AITM, and ultimately all the equipment of the computer of the AITM to be on F-Secure. They are negotiating that, and it is in the final stage. They have to discuss what are to be done. So they are not expecting anything from us, big thing. Only some roles and on advertisement or that on about that. This is secured by F-Secure. We are talking. The whole of the AITM and AHM will be secured by the antiviral system of F-Secure. It's a very international company. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is also done by
Okay, thank you.
only.
Now we will be proceeding to set
This
down.
is also done by
Please
Pro.
do join us. We will have a small.
First, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for gathering us here, and also I would like to thank everyone here, everyone of the students, the alumni, and the media persons, everyone. Thanks for joining with us. Let me tell you, the brief background of Pro, who we are. I hope everyone knows the full form. I'll just tell it's vertical engineering and management information was our. Let me give you some background of what Pro. So we initially we started with the WhatsApp group, and then everyone in the WhatsApp group we had some motive. We had a common goal: how can we, as an alumni, we can benefit AITM. So the team pro members basically we are alumni of AITM or AEC who passed out from here. We are a group of around 300 plus members, and we are we are growing. We are trying to bring members into our team, inshallah. So the primary objective of being pro is to strive towards social, educational, and infrastructure upliftment of AITM. It's basically our goal is for that. So basically, like we want to have like create good relationship between AITM and our alumni of AITM. So basically, like we want to promote and organize some training sessions, and also we want to have like we want to have some knowledge sharing sessions as well, some seminars, and which can help students of the AITM. And also we want to help like on AITM in the admission as well. In fact, like this year we interacted with a lot of students from PUC. We individually called them and we guided them like how can AITM help them in their career. And alhamdulillah, like few of the students, like they even joined in the AITM, alhamdulillah. We also like want to maintain good relationship that can have like between alumni and the students of the AITM. So we are also like want to have like some mentor and mentee relationship between the alumni and the students, where our alumni can help them in their projects, so in the career guidance program and everything, inshallah. So we also like we had completed like our first project, alhamdulillah, that is we are inaugurating today. I would like to thank everyone who has helped us, especially like the alumni of AITM, and also like I would like to thank everyone from AITM as well who gave us opportunity. And also we have like a lot of projects in the pipeline. For example, we would like to connect the students with the industry, and we had like a few programs in the last semester, and we would like to have like some more programs in the future. And in fact, like a couple of programs are scheduled in the next week, inshallah. I hope the students of the AITM will get benefit out of it, inshallah. And also like one more thing, anjuman, we want to have like the good presence of AITM, and also all the anjuman website in the digital marketing side. So in fact, like, we have started like one project on the SEO, search engine optimizations, where we can have the presence of the AITM not only in the vertical, across the vertical, and in fact like, we are working on that, and inshallah we want to have like some presence on the digital marketing side in the next year, inshallah. And also we are planning for like our next project, inshallah, maybe very soon, inshallah. We want to concentrate on other departments as well, and we would like good help from our alumni. Inshallah, without your support, like we cannot move further. And also, like we would like AHM helps as well in this, inshallah. With this, like, I would like to conclude my speech, thanking everyone. Jazakallah khair for joining with us. Thanks again, inshallah.
So, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am an alumni of AITM. I passed out in 2003 from CSE branch. So it gives me immense pleasure to stand here and talk to you for a few minutes, and also share you what we've been doing with respect to the organization which we formed, as well as what this project is all about. Before that, I would like to thank all the dignitaries who are on stage from AHM, as well as the principal and staff and students. I would like to welcome all to this event, and thanks for joining us. So I'll share a brief about what we did as part of this project. So we formed this organization a year back, and we were discussing about what should be the aims and objectives of our alumni association. So we have a large alumni base, I think around 7,000 students. We are a 40-year-old organization, and we thought maybe we during the pandemic time, people were discussing as to like how we can help others who are struggling with the pandemic. So that gave us an opportunity to gather back and also think about our college which we graduated, so that we can give things back to the college. That's how we started, and we planned few activities around the AITM, primarily how to benefit the students, right? We want to see how we can benefit the students and staff. So in terms of planning, we discussed a lot, and we also got a request from AITM secretary, like we are planning to renovate the lab and infrastructure of college, and they asked us if we can facilitate in developing the infrastructure and labs. So our members, alhamdulillah, came forward, and they agreed that we should definitely help in renovating or upgrading the infrastructure at AIT. That's how we started, and we are planning like multiple phases of projects. We wanted to take some turnkey project, and this is phase 1 of the project which we have alhamdulillah completely implemented. So the computer lab, in that we have like given around 18 systems, footlet systems, which are of i5 10th generation Intel processors. It has good amount of RAM, it's 8 GB RAM, and latest cutting edge basically hard disk, which is 512 GB SSD, NVMe RAM, and so on. So we decided that we wanted to procure something which is going to be beneficial for all the departments of AITM, not just computer science department. And the monitors which are procured were good enough for like supporting in all the branches, not just computer science, because we thought, okay, mechanical, civil, electronics do have design labs, and design lab people should be able to utilize these labs effectively. So we have successfully completed this phase 1 of the project, and also alumni supported in getting licenses for antiviruses. One of our alumni who is based in Dubai, he contacted one of the leading security and antivirus companies, F-Secure, and they have like provided us with a license of their software for 3 years, and we can utilize it on 100 PCs and 3 servers. So we thank F-Secure and RAS Infotech who helped us in like giving these licenses. So this is about the project, and this project is like only possible because the alumni who studied here, right? They think that they have benefited a lot from the college and they want to give something back. So we are a large organization as such in terms of alumni strength, and few people just by contributing and coming forward and contributing were able to set up a lab. And going forward, we also see that okay, there is an opportunity for students to connect with the alumni. It's not just about the infrastructure setup. So we have subject matter experts, domain experts, people working in large MNCs, people working in startups, etc. And we see that students can benefit a lot from these alumni, and alumni are ready to help you in whatever ways we can. For example, setting up workshops or helping you in basically projects or guiding you in building your career. So with this, I just would like to share that we have completed project 1 of lab development, and we have already initiated the phase 2 of the lab development. So we plan to take things phase by phase. We don't want to commit anything as a huge, but we want to make sure that we take something which is of a big chunk size and be able to complete it and hand it over to the college, so that college can start utilizing it as soon as possible. Alright. So we like to meet all the maybe HODs and staffs to get more idea about what is their current needs also. So with this, I conclude my brief introduction to what this project is about, and looking forward to meet you all soon. Thank you.
हमसे जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल फिक्रोखबर टीवी को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मज़ीद खबरों के लिए लॉगिन करें fikrokhabar.com।